but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi guys. Hari ini kita lagi mancal gowes di malang. Manuk, ada monyet, ada hewan. Dulu sing ono di luar Malang lagi begitu komendet bisa melihat alam bebas, bebas powo, bebas nggak popo, hak karepe wis pokoke itu baso.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro.
Lagi kita mancal di guys. Pasar Manu di daerah daerah splindit sama ada Pak Amin. Ini juga goweh dari Haji Muhammad Nurul. Pak Haji Muhammad Nurul ya. Belakangnya itu juragan Goro, Pak. Ini guys, wisata ono penyegar coronane dan hilang. Ternyata luwe ya. Berat namanya, berat.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm shows front row. Here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Real time, back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking time I take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions. Trapped in their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status.
Splindit guys.
I'm out gaining traction. Avoiding distractions. I'm snapping. No captions. Attracting reactions. Adapting. Attacking. Commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask this. I just fucking
Paguyuban Pasundan, wilayah Provinsi Jawa Timur. Nah, ini Mas. Halo dulu Mas. Ini orang-orang Pasundan yang ada di Malang. Gabungan. Oke, sama mau bisa gabungan. Yes. Terus mulai mangan. Mulai cai.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I feel the shit that I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. Never change myself, I've always stayed the same. No doubt, I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback. stay steady, gunning, do my thing. I don't look the other way, I stare that motherfucker straight. Don't care what they say, nah, everyone's the same. Don't get caught up in their games, just pick a lane and do your thing. I don't just wanna be great, I'll be the best. Make everybody forget all the rest. Man, I feel blessed, pulling through best. Over my chest for that haters request. I'll be okay, I pick my lane. I'ma stick to it like horse of the fame. This is the game that we all play, and I'm gonna win, get the fuck out my way. Never changed myself, I've always stayed the same. No doubt, I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback.